Ahar Chennai is going to be the showcasing of all hospitality equipments, out of which major is hotel equipments, restaurant equipments, kitchen equipments, even for the rooms, what the kind of equipments are there required, like you will have cash boxes, furniture, locks. These are the kind of things which are being exhibited during Ahar Chennai. Ahar means food. Okay. Now we have during this Ahar Chennai two sections. One which is dedicated to processed foods, and one which is dedicated to cooked foods. Processed foods is where you process, pack, and then sell on the shelf. Cooked food is where it is cooked in the kitchen live and then dispensed to the customers. So we have two sections which attend to that. I think it's very helpful because you get to know the latest technologies. You get to know who are the people, what are the new type of products which are coming up for food. What is latest? There is something called now in food you have something called gastronomical advices. So how the molecule behaves of food even at the molecular level. So these are things which you come to know only when you come to, because we are going to have even seminars. Every day there will be some seminar on, and another thing is energy saving. We are going to have seminars on energy saving on different products which will have on energy saving. Like Kanchana Madam said, we are going to have a green corridor. This green corridor is where all energy saving products are going to be displayed. This is basically to promote good food, healthy food, safe food. That is the main motto of this exhibition. We have invitation sent to Thailand, and all these people from there, they are coming over. They are much ahead of us when it comes to technology. Food has to be handled safely, at the same time it has to be tasty. So you have a lot of equipments which now are able to cater to both of this. So I think that way this is going to be of great help. I think India, we are still at least about 5 years behind. Not very much behind, but we are catching up very fast. We are catching up very fast because the Food Safety Act has been now established. So once the Food Safety Act is established, then every food has to be to a particular standards. Okay, you mean what we are going, we eat only staple food. We don't try new foods. This, I think, our generation, we will still not try anything different. But all the generation which is beyond now, maybe 20, onwards, they're trying Japanese food, they're trying Lebanese foods, you have Mexican food. All these things is coming up now everywhere, which means we are getting bolder. Indian food is the healthiest food. Everything said and done, today Indian food is the healthiest food because genetically we are still, I think, tuned to digest only Indian food. And I think we have now idlis coming out of combi ovens. Earlier only chicken used to come out. So I think there is a great change when it comes to that.